We have the capability to engrave just about anything. We can do anything from names on placards and pendants to trophies to champagne bottles, glasses, stemware, whatever you want engraved, we have the capabilities to do it here. We do a lot of watches and things like that as well for retirements, birthdays, graduations.
We have a state-of-the-art engraving machine. We're working on a shotgun project right now for plates on the side of a shotgun for 50th birthday. Mostly the things we do are like inside the shank of a ring, either the date of a wedding or a certain saying, things like that. I had one lady engrave on the men's band, put it back on, which is pretty funny.